Another video with Try It Out, and today the Sensecap M1 miner came in the mailbox, and as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be unboxing one of them. Now, the Sensecap M1 is, in my opinion, a very unique type of miner and very useful for people located in the United Arab Emirates or in any location that is hot, and that is for several reasons. I believe that the Sensecap M1 miner is special, special compared to other types of miners for three reasons. The first reason is that it has a built-in ECC 608 crypto chip, which technically provides secure authentication and reliable connectivity. The second feature, which I think is the most important, is that it has an aluminum enclosure with a heatsink and a cooling fan, which ensures long-term and stable operation, especially if you're in the UAE. Now, over here you can see the setup of the miner and the steps you have to take. This takes around 5 minutes to do, although it's 6 steps. It's pretty straightforward. And here we have the first look at the hotspot. Let's first have a look at the antenna. It is the 868 megahertz antenna frequency, and it is a 2.8 dBi gain antenna. Secondly, we can look at the power adapter, and this is the last important feature that I wanted to talk about. This power adapter is a USB-C power adapter, unlike the other miners. And since it is a USB-C, technically you can use your other power adapters for other devices for it, as many other devices use USB-C. Just ensure that it has the same voltage, that is 5 volts and 3 amps. And finally, let's look at the hotspot itself. At first look, you have some ventilation, you have Sensecap, and on the back side, you have your RP SMA female connector, and your antenna is an RP SMA male, so it directly connects to that. Then you have your Bluetooth button, your USB-C power socket, and your Ethernet cable. Pretty simple compared to the other hotspots. And on the back over here, you can see some information which I will have blurred out, like the Wi-Fi MAC, the ETH MAC, the CPU ID, and the serial number. And if you pay close attention, you can see the heatsink and the small fan. Let me angle this correctly so that you can have a look. This is in fact one of the 2 hotspots that came in today. I also happen to have 4 more coming that should arrive towards the second half of August, according to shipping estimates. Not to mention the Bobcat and some curling hotspots that I ordered. And this brings me to the point of hosting. At the time of making this video, which is August 1st, which is the first day of halving of the Helium token, there are several clusters of Helium hotspots in Dubai and only few in several other Emirates. But if you see this video and there are clusters in Abu Dhabi or any other Emirate, and you think you'll have a suitable spot for hosting a hotspot, feel free to send me an email to this email, and from then we can carry on to talk over the phone or WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed this video and took some notes on how the Sensecap is a unique hotspot miner compared to the other hotspots in the market at this time. And as always, happy mining!